All right, what's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Welcome to the video. Taking a look at the profit pack here on the gold market. You can see a beautiful trend change here. We get this phenomenal impulse. We get this correction, but notice the correction is into pivots, right? That creates resistance. So from that pivot, look at what transpired. We fell, we fell, we fell, we fell, and we fell. Almost, or a little over actually, 200 ticks from this trigger candle, right? So here was the open of the overnight. You can see we fell right through it. Here is the close of yesterday. We fell right through it. Here is another pivot level. We fell right through it. This is the low yesterday, I'm sorry. So the low yesterday, we consolidated here for a little bit. Fell a little bit lower into this pivot level. See if we can, yep, S1 right there. And then even further into this pivot level. Notice that this last pivot level here literally caught the bottom, okay? So you got to understand something, right? You got to, if you're not going to do the hard work of identifying support and resistance for yourself, you have to use some type of tool so that you can capture 222 ticks with ease by just simply following what's been pre-planned and laid out for you. Now, if you're not doing this on your own and you want to join me and you want to see my screen, well, you're welcome to do that, right? Profit Pack owners have that opportunity. If you want to see the traditional analysis as well, you're welcome to purchase the daily live trade room in addition to the Profit Pack. But Profit Pack owners get the chance to see the levels on my screen for their use. Now, of course, I can't guarantee anything, but I can certainly tell you that the benefit comes into play when you start utilizing predetermined levels. Notice our correction through the profit band pulled into pivots, right? So that's now, we've closed below it. It's now new resistance for this day, and we fall into yesterday's close, followed by yesterday's low, followed by a pivot point and another pivot point. I mean, literally nailing the bottom perfectly. So guys, the whole premise of the Profit Pack is to make your life easy, right? Price action, volume driven, identify support and resistance, either use predetermined levels, use your own predetermined levels that you draw out yourself. It really doesn't make any difference. Pay yourself, protect yourself, build a simplistic trade plan around the 5 steps. Trend change, correction through the profit band, trigger candle prints, consideration for entries at the close of the trigger candle, consideration for your stop is right above in this instance, and just take profit every time you hit a new layer of support. Because you don't know when you're going to double bottom like we did here, basically right at the tippy bottom here, and start the process of reversing. So if you want to learn more about the Profit Pack, below this video, there are some links. I encourage you to click on them, consume the content, send me a question, send me an email with any questions you might have. I'd be more than happy to have a conversation, see if this technology is right for your trading needs. You can use it on stocks, futures, Forex, cryptocurrencies, and it could be beneficial to options traders as well. You can scalp with it, day trade with it, and even swing trade. So very universal, works on NinjaTrader. And again, feel free to consume that content and send me an email. I'd love to speak with you. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.